Transform your WordPress site from plain to powerfully visual by adding engaging icons today. First up, let's explore the easiest method using plugins for a vast library of icons to place anywhere, from social media links to content blocks. You'll want to find a dedicated icon plugin, head to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type Icons. You'll see a variety of options. Look for well-rated plugins with recent updates, such as Font Awesome Icons or Easy Social Icons. Once you find one you like, click Install Now, and then activate after installation. Next, many modern themes offer built-in icon integration. To check if your theme has this feature, go to Appearance, then Customize. Browse through the various sections of your theme customizer. You might find options for adding icons to your navigation, menu, footer, or specific widgets. For example, you might see a navigation section where you can add icons next to your menu items, or a widgets area that allows you to insert icons into sidebars. Simply select the icon that best fits your needs, and it will appear on your front end. Finally, for ultimate flexibility, you can use custom code. Though this requires a bit more technical know-how, many icon libraries, like Font Awesome or Genericons, provide code snippets for embedding their icons directly into your content. You'll typically paste these snippets into your WordPress posts, pages, or even your theme's code files when adding elements like social media buttons or highlighting features. By mastering these methods, circumflex euros, plugins, theme options, and custom code circumflex euros, you can effortlessly enhance your WordPress website's visual appeal and user experience with eye-catching icons.